Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the workbook and selecting the pivot table that shows the blank entries. First, check the pivot source range or the Excel table for truly empty cells or formulas returning an empty string. These cause the pivot to show blank. Once located, convert the source into a table Ctrl+T to keep the range correct. Then replace blank cells or add a simple helper column that marks non-blank rows. This gets you ready to update the pivot immediately. Once done with the source cleanup, work inside the pivot table. Open the field drop-down for the row or column showing blanks and uncheck blank to remove them immediately. If you need a rule, apply a label filter such as does not equal and leave the criteria blank to exclude empty strings. Make sure layout and print options do not force items with no data to display. After adjusting filters or field settings, refresh the pivot to apply the changes and confirm blanks are. To finish, refresh the pivot table one more time and inspect the results. Save the workbook when you see the blanks removed. For repeat data loads, remove blanks in Power Query or add a helper column formula like equals if, trim, A2 equals. Missing, A2, so incoming blanks are normalized. If you still see blanks, make sure the source doesn't contain formulas that return an empty string. And clear the pivot cache or change, show items with no data. This troubleshooting step fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.